Welcome to the video. Let's learn about priority scheduling. Priority scheduling is a method of scheduling processes that is based on priority. So priority is a number. In this algorithm, the scheduler selects the task to work as per the priority. The processes with higher priority should be carried out first, whereas jobs with equal priorities are carried out on FCFS basis. Priority depends upon memory requirements, time requirements, etc. There are two types, non-preemptive and preemptive. Let's study non-preemptive priority scheduling. Let's solve this problem. Consider the following snapshot of the system. Here are processes P1 to P5, burst time 10, 5 to 16, 8. Priorities are given of all the process from P1 to P5. So here 0 is high priority given and 4 is the low priority given. And last column is arrival time of all the process. Schedule the above set of processes according to non-preemptive priority scheduling algorithm. Draw proper Gantt chart and find average turnaround time and waiting time. So when we are solving this problem, firstly we'll write down the criteria of the problem. That is, priority will be the criteria and mode is non-preemptive. Let's begin and draw the Gantt chart. For this, we'll focus on the arrival time. At start, we have to look at the arrival time. Which process arrives first? As you know, process starts from 0. So, as I said, whenever we'll start with the problem, we'll first focus on the arrival time. Here, when we are drawing the chart, firstly, to draw the chart, we'll focus on the arrival time of the process. This is the given process with burst time, priority and arrival time. So let's see the arrival time. Arrival time is 0 and P1 arrives at 0 with burst time 10. At the start, we'll only focus on arrival time and draw the Gantt chart from 0. So 0 is the arrival time of process P1. First we'll write P1. Chart starts from 0. So 0 plus 10 is 10. Then second process, to find the second process, now we'll focus on the priority column. So here is the priority column and at the time, P1 took 10 seconds, for example. At 10 seconds, all the process have already arrived in the ready queue. So now we'll have to focus and look at the priority 0, 1, 2 and 4. So which one has the highest priority? Here 0 is the highest priority, 4 is the lowest. So which process has highest priority? 0. It is P2 with burst time 5. So P2 will be the next with burst time 5, that is 10 plus 5 will be 15. Next, now as you can see, P1 and P2 is completed. Now next we'll again look at the priority column and we'll check the next highest priority. After 0 is 1, that is P3. So P3 has the highest priority 1 with burst time 2. Now P3 will execute with burst time 2, that is 15 plus 2 is 17. Next process with highest priority 2 is P4 with burst time 16. So next will be P4 with 16. 17 plus 16 is 33. So P4 is completed. Now last left is P5 with 4 priority with burst time 8. So last will be P5 with burst time 8. 33 plus 8 is 41. So this is our final chart with all the processes. At the beginning, we'll focus on the arrival time. So let's find turnaround time, that is completion time minus arrival time. For process P1, 10 minus 0 is 10, 15 minus 4 is 11, 17 minus 3 is 14. For P4 process, 33 minus 5 is 28, and last 41 minus 2 is 39. So these are all the values of turnaround time. Next column will find the waiting time. For this, use turnaround time minus burst time. So focus on column turnaround time and burst time. Let's start for process P1. 10 minus 10 is 0. 11 minus 5 is 6. 14 minus 2 is 12. For P4 process, 28 minus 16 is 12. And for the last process P5, it is 39 minus 8, that is 31. So these are all the values of the waiting time. Now let's find the average times. For average time, we'll add all the values: 10 plus 11 plus 14 plus 28 plus 39. Now after adding all the values, we get 102 divided by 5 is 20.4. So to find the average of waiting time, add all the values. 0 plus 6 plus 5, 0 plus 6 plus 12 plus 12 plus 31 gives 61, and divided by number of process, division of this is 12.2. So final answer is 20.4 turnaround time and 12.2 is the waiting time. I hope you understand from this video. If you missed out anything, watch this video again. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.